Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Cisco packet tracer. Install the location. Let me open the location where I saved the file. Desktop. We go pick and make it yes. I accept. Next. And I'm going to install the Cisco packet tracer 8.22 version. Next. Make it next. Create a desktop shortcut. If you want to launch as soon as you installed, we can create quick launch shortcut here. Install. Let it install. Okay, we can click. Then as soon as I click on finish, it will launch the application. Do you like to run multi-user when application starts? Yes. Click on allow. Alright, I have installed Cisco packet tracer. Let's see how it what we can do on this Cisco packet tracer in next couple of videos. I'll show you how to create how to configure Cisco layer 1, layer 2, layer 3 routers, and how do we communicate each other via IPs. Thank you very much.